Donation of industrial sewing machine to support Miss Samira Musa Hope in Messiah. Needy Foundation has once again shown its commitment to transforming lives through a special donation to Miss Samira Musa, an apprentice at a sewing shop in Techiman. Samira's journey has not been easy. Formerly a Muslim, she embraced Christianity, a decision that led to her family abandoning her. As a result, she faced many hardships and life challenges while pursuing her dream of becoming a seamstress. To support her resilience and determination, the foundation donated an industrial sewing machine to help her in her training and future career. The donation was presented on behalf of the foundation by Brother Dixon, accountant, and Brother Fred, field coordinator. With this gesture, Hope in Messiah Needy Foundation not only provides her with the tools to build a livelihood, but also demonstrates the love of Christ through practical support. Samira expressed heartfelt gratitude, acknowledging this as a turning point in her life.
My friend is Samira Musa. Monsieur Juma, na mini industrial machine, industrial machine, but na mini scanswa, me de a better industrial machine. Na me kama some tray Hope in Messiah Needy Foundation. Na mo call me mo tie me sufre. Ene de oma bre me machine fe ti say a me di bebo ejuma me da Hope in Messiah Needy Foundation ase say oma call me mo ti say na me bompa ye say ombe koso atosoa abua omo hia emoa ti say me say me da oma se nyankopon enhira wo mo bebi biara omo yi omo ntobo afi ye no nyankopon enhira omo anemu Amen.